Hey guys, it's me, Alicia. I just finished this big order. Look at all these beautiful waist beads. I think it's like 13. So we're going to pack this order up, and I am going to pack this order up, and I want you guys to come along with me as I pack the order up. They are so beautiful, y'all. Let me show you guys before I get started some of the pieces, or maybe all of them. This is one. This is our clear crystal waist bead. It has big 10mm beads on it. Then this one is our Prosperity Aventurine. This is a bestseller. It is a bestseller. We sell these the most. People love the money and the aventurine and that pretty green, which is my favorite color. Here we have our this is black tourmaline and tiger's eye waist bead. All of these are on my Etsy shop. This is an Etsy order that I'm packing up. This is topaz and pearl. See the detail in this one. This one's pretty popular too. All of these waist beads came with a clasp. You always have an option to add a clasp onto your waist bead. This one is an aquamarine. I think that's what it's called. A waist bead, aquamarine waist bead on the website. And then we have our 7 chakra waist bead. I should have untangled these first. They get tangled up so easily. Oh my god. This one is a 7 chakra. It has 2 sets of the chakra. The 7 chakra crystals on there. So that's that one. It's all gold. Then this one is I think it's called clear crystal amethyst, maybe on there. This is pretty. I love this one. It's got your clear crystal quartz pendant on there. And then the last one is a 5-piece waist bead. It's a multi-strand waist bead that it keeps getting tangled up on there. So I said I need to hurry up and pack this up. But it's so beautiful. It's available on the website. It's lapis lazuli. Let me hold them up while I'm getting them untangled. And it has lotus charms on them. So she's got the 5 strands. So we got that one. So pretty. All of them came with clasp. So you can see some of the clasp. And I made all of them a little different. So the charms hang differently on her body, and all 5 waist beads are different design. And I enjoyed making all of these. I just finished. So yep. So I'm about to pack these up. We have our affirmations, and they are: I am rich in all areas of my life, and I am amazing. Ashe. And we have our little baggies. We put them in, and with the affirmations, and then all the baggies will go into this drawstring baggie. And then we have our purple bubble mailer. That purple is pretty much our brand color. And she don't need tie-on instructions because everything has a clasp. And then this is her packing slip. So can check off. We have everything checked off, and just so she can see, make sure everything is in there. And it's good to put the packing slip in for the post office, just in case the label gets lost. They can look inside and see who to return it to, or who to send it to, type thing. So yep. All right. So I'm about to pack this order up, guys, and then I will come back and give you guys some more information about where you can buy these at. Okay? Alright guys, so I'm done with the order. It's ready to go. The big little package. Thought I might was gonna have to get another or bigger bubble mailer, but everything fit in there all good. And so I'm so glad I'm done with this order. This was a 13-piece order because she ordered, I think, 9 items, but that last item was a 5-strand waist bead. And it took some time to make, but nonetheless, I still enjoyed making it. I hadn't made it in a while, and it gave me the opportunity to sit down and watch this Black History masterclass on Amazon. Y'all should check it out. It had a lot of good information in it. So I'm glad to do that, and I was able to sit down and do that. Now I have to go into the other room and get ready to ship out about 20 to 30 more packages. They're pretty much ready to go. I just have to double check them because the kids process those orders, and then just kind of get everything sealed up. Just kind of second check everything. I said second check. And then get them ready to go to the post office. Sometimes I ship here at the house, but the mailman has been early the past 2 days. He's been here before 10 o'clock. Normally he don't get here till after 5. So I'm glad he's coming. I'm not complaining, but I'm going to have to go to the post office. I was going to have to go anyway because I try not to give my mailman that many packages. Anything over like 10 packages, I don't put in the mailbox. I'll just take them. But anything under 10, I'll give them a scan form. Sometimes I'm working on being more consistent with that. And so I know that they got scanned, and my mailman is just really good. He always checks. He knows about my business, and he asks about it and all that good stuff. So I got to get up in here, and then after that, hopefully pick up my daughter early from school. And we both gotta go to the eye doctor and go to the bead store, find some supplies. We need clasps, we need some string and things like that. I'm looking for some blue jasper. And then y'all come back, and then I will probably be doing work on my laptop, and then my crew will be working on their orders. They do about 3 orders a day to 4 a day. No more than that, and timing that at about 15 to 20 minutes per waist bead. Like I tell them, they should be working no more than 2 hours if they sit down and everything's ready for them and they focus, and they'll be done in 2 hours. And then, if you want to hear more information about how my kids help me run my business, let me know in the comments, and I can make you some videos on how we process and how we run and how they help me in the business. They get paid every Friday, and they got their own banking accounts, and I use certain things to help me track. So yeah, peace, love, and balance. Let me get out of here, and so I can get these packages, and so my battery doesn't run out. And I hope you guys enjoyed this this video. If you did, let me know with a like, a comment, and a follow would be great. And bye, guys.